Many people think that cartilage cannot be strengthened. Well, this is not true, and in this video I'll share with you the best ways to strengthen and look after your knee joint cartilage. These principles can also be applied to all other joints as well. Hello, my name is Daniel Lawrence. Welcome to the Physio channel. Let's start this video by defining what type of cartilage we're talking about. In this video we're focusing on hyaline cartilage, which is essentially joint cartilage. In our body, we also have elastic cartilage found in places like the ear and nose, and fibrocartilage, which makes up your spinal discs and also other joint discs. Once again, this video is about your hyaline joint cartilage in your knees. Here's what you need to know about your knee joint cartilage. The surface of cartilage has no nerve endings, so if you damage or wear down your cartilage, you won't feel it unless it reaches a significant threshold of damage. Unlike skin and muscles, your cartilage does not have a good blood supply, which is why healing can be problematic. Despite the lack of blood flow, your hyaline joint cartilage is still a metabolically active tissue that benefits from movement to help nourish the joint. Let's have a look at the types of movement you want to do to strengthen your cartilage. Research tells us that immobilizing joints and letting your muscle strength decrease will cause your cartilage to become thinner. This is not a good thing. So conversely, strengthening exercises can lead to measurable increases in cartilage thickness, and this is a good thing. So movement and load are beneficial for your cartilage and may even thicken it, making it more resistant to further loading. But what is the best exercise for your cartilage? Well, here's the answer. 15 minutes of low impact repetitive movement with at least 4 hours rest in between, all performed at a moderate intensity. This could include activities like cycling, rowing, using an elliptical trainer, resistance training, and of course walking. Any one of these activities will give you the best results because they offer a combination of joint gliding and joint compression. And this is how it works. When you do these exercises, cartilage cells are stimulated to produce collagen, which aligns in the superficial layers of the cartilage to maintain a strong gliding and protective layer. Therefore, it's important for children to be active as they grow, as this is when the cartilage is most active and able to strengthen before adulthood. Activity in childhood may even reduce the likelihood of osteoarthritis in older age. So what doesn't your cartilage like? Healthy cartilage can tolerate high impact activities like running and jumping if they are introduced progressively and gradually. But sudden spikes in impact activity, especially if prolonged, can cause cartilage thinning without the necessary time for recovery. Joint injuries that change the mechanics of the joint, like ACL injuries of the knee, also increase the risk of post-traumatic osteoarthritis. If you've had an injury like this, it's really important to have a cartilage protection plan, including exercises like the ones that we are discussing in this video. I also came across a fascinating study recently where knee cartilage thickness increased after 12 months of regular step aerobics, which included jumping activities. So it's clear that even though there may be some debate over which type of activity is most beneficial for cartilage health, there is no debating the fact that physical activity benefits and protects, with the research hinting that it may even strengthen and potentially offer some repair for cartilage as well. Thanks for watching. Please support the channel by sharing this video and letting others know about the Physio channel. Here are some other helpful knee videos.